Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center, moving into a side reach variation. Alternate extending one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue flowing from right to left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw your elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With each inhale, reach and extend through your left arm and leg, and with each exhale, draw your elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into our standing segment, beginning with a plank position variation. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair and step your feet back, aligning your shoulders over your wrists, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. As you hold this position, work to keep your legs and glutes active with your body in one straight line from the crown of your head out through your heels. Adding a mountain climber variation, begin to alternate bringing opposite knee to elbow, moving from right to left while maintaining your alignment of your shoulders over your wrists, cinching in all the way around your waist, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. Release, moving into a side crunch variation. Come to stand with your left hip closest to the chair and your left hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your right leg. Continue with this movement, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Pause with your right arm reaching overhead. Step your right foot behind your left for a lateral stretch, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Stand with your right hip closest to the chair and your right hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead, and on your exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Pause with your left arm reaching overhead. Step your left foot behind your right for a lateral stretch, breathing wide into your left side body. Release, transitioning into a standing cat-cow stretch variation. Come to stand facing the back of your chair. With your hands to the chair for support, walk your feet back with your feet below your hips and your arms extended. With your core engaged, begin to alternate gently stretching your chest towards the earth and then rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Release, transitioning into seated postures. Go ahead and adjust your chair to take a seat. Sitting tall, clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Begin to alternate lifting one leg up, then out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, your core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding on. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, and on your exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.